Hello people, how are you doing? I hope your day is going fine. It's your man Michael Armstrong. Today we're gonna hit the market with something very interesting. We'll be testing our trade AI trading bot version 2.0 on our classic market and on our OTC market. What are we going to be doing? I'll be telling that later on after you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe below this video. Make sure you like this video as well. Check the description. There's going to be a link there for you to join our free VIP Telegram channel where you have VIP services, free signals, you get access to copy trades. You also have access to our AI products for your own consumption if you're interested, which is highly recommended. You also have access to our notifications whenever we go for our live stream and our live broadcast. The link is also in the comment section for you. All right people, like I say, we're going to be taking 4 different positions today in our classic market. I'll be taking 4 trades in our OTC market. Then we're going to find out how successful that's going to be. Let's go ahead and hit this and have some fun in the market. All right, what's the difference between your OTC and classic pair? For those that don't know, I already talked about this on this channel. OTC markets are broker pairs, that's pairs that are created and run by our brokers, highly volatile, more dangerous to trade. But when we talk about the classic pairs, these are the global pairs. That's what everybody around the world is trading, master traders, banks, and everybody, retail traders. So these are the comparison. So one is lower, like the classic market is less volatile. So we're going to be taking 4 positions in our classic market, and we'll be taking 4 positions on our OTC market using our AI powered trading bot. AI powered trading bot is our artificial intelligence product that uses what you ask. We're going to ask you, give your peers, and then the time you want to execute it, processes it, and gives you whether to buy or to sell, and gives you the parameters, whether it's going to be highly volatile or not, or whether the success probability is going to be medium or not. One thing to know about is AI powered trading bot. When you're trading, you always use your 3 golden rules, which is, first of all, you risk 1 to 2% of your account balance. Also, make sure that you trade within the trading time. That's 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. GMT plus 3 time. Also, make sure that, ladies and gentlemen, you change pairs after each one. You take one pair, you change to the other one. Very important. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the market with our AI powered trading bot, ladies and gentlemen, today, taking 8 trades in total. Let's go and have some fun and see how this is gonna happen now to the market. Alright, so for the first trade today, like you can see, we're gonna be using our AI powered trading bot. I am AI powered trading bot that predicts the currency movements for binary options. So we're gonna hit that. For the first trade, we're gonna go ahead and hit the market with Citigroup Inc. OTC. That's a stock market. For each trade, I'll be risking $200, ladies and gentlemen. And for my trading time, I'll be taking this trade on 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and hit the trade. Ask our AI powered trading bot for the stock Citigroup Inc. OTC. There you go, Citigroup Inc. OTC on 30 seconds, people. It is gonna be a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out. As is predicted by our AI powered trading bot version 2.0, you can see 30 seconds sell, volatility level said to be high for this trade, success probability said to be high. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, people. $200 on the line. We're gonna hold on and see how this is gonna play out. The sellers are dragging down the market, and it is looking good, ladies and gentlemen. 7 seconds left on the timer. Holding on tight, it is almost there. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and there you go. Nice and smooth. All right, we are on our OTC market. 1 trade is secured, risking $200 per trade, and we were able to secure our first win. Let's go ahead and hit the market with the next trade. It's going to be on American Express OTC. $200 on the line, and I will be taking this trade on 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot what the prediction is going to be for the stock American Express OTC. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. American Express OTC on 30 seconds. It is gonna be another sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell. Other people, we're gonna hold on tight and see, is this gonna be our second win for today? We're about to find out. Prediction by our AI powered trading bot has placed this trade to be 30 seconds, medium volatile level, success probability said to be high. So holding on tight to see how this is going to play out. On our timer, we have 16 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, 15 seconds, and holding on. 10 seconds left on the timer. Is this gonna be another win? We're about to find out, people. 6 seconds and waiting. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth. That's another win for us, people. Selling AI powered trading bot version 2.0 have just given us our second win for today. Our next trade is gonna be on Johnson & Johnson OTC, ladies and gentlemen. Same parameters. We're risking $200 for this trade. And what is it gonna be? We're gonna go ahead and ask our trading bot what the prediction is gonna be for the stock Johnson & Johnson. And Johnson & Johnson, ladies and gentlemen, on 30 seconds, it is gonna be another sell, executing a sell order. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, people. The buyers are dragging this market, but we're gonna trust the process and hold on to see how this is gonna play out. This is predicted to be a sell. Volatility level set to be medium, success probability set to be high. Holding on tight to see how this is going to be playing out. 16 seconds left on the timer. And we're going to hold on, ladies and gentlemen, 13 seconds and wait in. Johnson & Johnson OTC, that's going to be our third trade for this session. And we are almost there, ladies and gentlemen. 5 seconds left on the timer, $200 on the line. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, we just secured our third win for today. OTC market is cruising higher, and higher for us, ladies and gentlemen. One more trade, and we can call it a day in our Cisco market. Cisco OTC, that's gonna be our next trade. We're gonna go ahead and hit the market with the same parameters, $200 on the line on 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot what the prediction is gonna be for the stock Cisco OTC. And Cisco OTC on 30 seconds, people, it is going to be a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out after a 30 seconds waiting time, predicting this to be by our AI powered trading bot version 2.0 a sell. 30 seconds volatility level set to be strong and success probability set to be high. The sellers are dragging down the market and it is looking good for us, ladies and gentlemen. On our timer, we have 13 seconds left. We are almost there, ladies and gentlemen. Is this gonna be our fourth win in the OTC market? Yes, it is almost there. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth. Yes, it has been a good time trading our OTC pairs. As you can see, we're able to take 1, 2, 3, 4 different OTC pairs, and it has been a back-to-back wins, 100% track record. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our classic pairs. Classic pairs are currencies that doesn't have the OTC. All right, let's go and hit the market with our currency pairs. We're gonna go ahead and search for the first OTC pair we're gonna hit the market with, and ladies and gentlemen, what is it gonna be? It's gonna be Australian dollar against CHF. Australian dollar against CHF, is that available? We are about to find out. AUD against CHF, where are you hiding? All right, ladies and gentlemen, AUD against CHF, it seems to be nowhere to be found. We're gonna go ahead and hit the market with the next trade. Yeah, there you go. Australian dollar against CHF, 78% payout. We are risking $200 for this trade, and we are going to be taking this trade on 1 minute. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot what the prediction is going to be for Australian dollar against CHF for 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen. It is going to be a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. We are selling, predicted by our AI powered trading bot version 2.0 to be another sell, medium volatility level, success probability set to be high. We're going to hold on tight and see how this is going to play out. On our timer, we have 47 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, the sellers are trying to put up a fight. The buyers are dragging. And what is this going to be? Hoping this is going to be another win for us. We were able to take 4 different trades in the OTC market, and the track record was 100%. This is our first trade in the classic market. Is this going to be a win? We are about to find out. This is the start of our experience in the classic pairs today. Australian dollar against CHF. We have 20 seconds left on the timer, and we are cruising down as the sellers are taking us to a very good level and good position to secure our first win in the classic market. Australian dollar against CHF, medium volatility level. That's the prediction. Highly probable to be successful. 6 seconds left on the timer. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth. First trade is secured. Our first classic pair is secure. Let's go ahead and hit the market with the next currency pair, classic. And I am predicting that to be Euro USD. Is this going to be another win for us? We are about to find out. Euro USD with 85% payout rate. Ladies and gentlemen, risking $200 for this trade. Let's go ahead and ask our trading bot for the prediction on 1 minute. And it is going to be a sell. Today is a sell day, bearish day. Everything has been a sell, and sell. We're going to hold on tight and see how this is going to play out. Predicted by our AI powered trading bot, artificial intelligence powered trading bot version 2.0 to be a sell. 60 seconds, expiration time, volatility level to be high, success probability to be higher as well. Holding on tight to see how this is going to play out, ladies and gentlemen. And what is this going to be? Is this going to be our second win for today? We are about to find out. The sellers are dragging the market. The buyers are putting up a fight. We're going to hope this is going to be our second win today and our 6th win in this session. 2 trades so far in our classic pair, 1 win, the other one is running. We already secured 4 wins in the OTC pairs. All right, ladies and gentlemen, on our timer, we have 16 seconds left. The buyers are giving us a very hard time here, but we're going to hold on tight and see how this is going to play. Our sellers trying to put up a fight, and that is what we need. On our timer, we have 5 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth, people. We just secured our second win today in the classic pair. Classic market, we are cruising. All right. Next trade, what is it gonna be on? We are about to find out. What are we gonna? Let's make sure we have available pairs on our AI power trading board first. Australian dollar against Canadian dollar, that's gonna be our next trade. Classic pair AUD against CAD, AUD against CAD. How do you want to call the Australian dollar against Canadian dollar? All right, $200 on the line, 1 minute trade. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board. Australian dollar against Canadian dollar for 1 minute. It is gonna be a buy. Finally, a buy order. Let's go ahead and execute a buy trade for this. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out to be, ladies and gentlemen. This is a bearish market, but the fact that we are told to buy should tell you that there might be a possibility we're gonna get a buying volatility here, ladies and gentlemen. Predicted by our AI power trading board version 2.0, ladies and gentlemen. This is said to be a 60 seconds buy, volatility level to be high, success probability to be high. The buyers are coming in hoping this is gonna be a win for us. And on our timer, we have 32 seconds left, ladies and gentlemen, and holding on tight. Is this gonna be our third win in the classic pairs? In the classic market, we are about to find out. Yes, the buyers are pushing us up. It is looking good, people, and yes, it is possibly gonna be our third win in the classic market today. 14 seconds left on the timer and holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out. All right, 10 seconds left on the timer, ladies and gentlemen. We are almost there. 6 seconds, the sellers are dragging us down. The buyers are putting up a fight. Is this gonna be a win, people? 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. Nice and smooth. Third trade is secured in the OTC market, and in the classic market we're about to secure our fourth trade for today, which is going to be the last trade for today. One more trade and we will call it a day, ladies and gentlemen, to secure our 8 wins in the market. So currency pairs, what is it going to be? Let's go and find out. And it is going to be, ladies and gentlemen, a very nice trade to close our session with. And I'm going to be looking for Canadian dollar against CHF. Canadian dollar against CHF, that is the trade of choice to end our session with. All right, $200 on the line. Canadian dollar against CHF, ladies and gentlemen. What is the prediction gonna be for 1 minute? It is gonna be a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade. For the next 1 minute, we're gonna hold on tight and see how this is going to be playing out. Predicted by our AI power trading board to be a buy, 60 seconds time, placing this to be volatility level medium, success probability to be high. We're gonna hold on tight and see as our 8th trade of the session is running, ladies and gentlemen. 4th trade in the classic market. We're able to secure 4 trades in the OTC market 100%. If this trade runs in, that will take us to another 100% track record in the classic market. Ladies and gentlemen, AI power trading version 2.0 giving us the directions in this market, using different strategies and forecasts from different companies, hundreds and hundred layers of strategies to give us direction in the market, telling us whether to buy or sell, and adding parameters like the volatility level and then the success probability of the trade. So far, we have recorded 7 wins in the market, 4 which are OTC, 3 which were in the classic market. This is the last trade for today, and we're holding and hoping this is going to be a very good way to end the market. 5 seconds left on the timer, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go. It has been a good time in the market, people. As you can see in the history, we're able to take 1, 2, 3, 4 trades in the OTC market, 1, 2, 3, 4 different trades in the classic market, and it has been a 100% track record, 100% back-to-back wins. That is amazing. It is an amazing feeling making use of artificial intelligence product like our AI power trading board version 2.0. All we had to do was ask, give the currency pair and the time we want to execute the trades, execute the 3 golden rules, which was making sure we are risking 1 to 2% of our accounts, changing the pairs after each trade we've taken, and also making sure that, ladies and gentlemen, we are trading between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. GMT plus 3. It has been a good time in the market today, recording some wins, ladies and gentlemen. We have robbed the market once again with our AI power trading board version 2.0, taking 4 trades in the classic market and 4 trades in the OTC market. And now I'd like to call this session to an end. Thank you for staying with me. It has been a good time. All right, people. As you can see, today has been a good day in the market. We were able to secure 8 different trades. Most importantly, 4 from the OTC market and 4 from the classic market. I've already told you the difference between OTC and classic pairs at the beginning of this. What is this supposed to tell you? Our AI power trading board version 2.0 doesn't have boundaries. It can hack it for you in the AI with the AI ability, it can hack it to you in the market with the OTC pairs. It can hack it in the market for you with the classic pairs. We made use of it today. As you can see, we took 4 trades and it was 4 out of 4 for OTC pairs, 100% track record. We did the same thing in the classic market and it has hacked it also. 100% accuracy level today. It is your AI powered trading board in action. Remember the 3 golden rules whenever you use it. I've stated it already in this video. Taking your trades between 8 a.m. and 10 p.m. GMT +1. Making sure you change your pairs after every trade, you change it to a different pair, and making sure that, ladies and gentlemen, you are risking just 1 to 2% of your account balance. It has been a good time with you, ladies and gentlemen. AI Power Trading will give us a very good time in the market today. We had some fun. It's your man Michael Armstrong, reminding you to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below this video. Make sure you like this video as well. Check the description. There's gonna be a link there for you to join our free Telegram channel, and in that free Telegram channel you have access to our VIP services, free signals. You get to copy my trades, and ladies and gentlemen, you have access to our artificial intelligence product like our trading bot and our AI screener version 2.0, and then most importantly, all our notifications go through our Telegram VIP channel. I'm gonna be signing out now. See you next time, ladies and gentlemen, and have some fun. See you next time. Bye.